Welcome, my beautiful people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, the Dawn is at it again. And guess what? I am doing strawberry ice cream. Ice cream! Okay, guys, so let's dive into it. Here is a strawberry that I'm using. I already rinsed them in some warm water and then cold water. 2 cups of every cream. This is 1 cup. I'm going to put 1 more cup to it. My food coloring, and this is a pink. I'm just going to use a few drops in it. 1 tin of sweet milk or condensed milk and a pinch of salt. Yeah, that's all we need for our ice cream. And then you're going to need your mixer. That's my hand mixer. You don't have to worry about an ice cream machine. Now, you can always use your mixer. This is a bowl. I'm mixing in. And that's it. So, here we go now, guys. First thing you want to do, I want to pour the milk in the bowl. That's 1 cup. And 2 cups. Now you want to cut on your strawberries. Strawberry. Also, you're going to pour the salt in on the strawberry. You just want to do this until it's smooth, and it's smooth already. This is the every cream now. I'm gonna whip it. They just want to start at a low speed. If you start at a high speed, everything will be over the place. And you just whip until it becomes a stiff peak. And you see, it's now a stiff peak. With your strawberry, you're gonna add it to it. Just wanna mix it around. Just gonna mix this up And I'm going in with the mixer again. And you want to pour in your condensed milk. That's the sweet milk. Pour the rest of your milk in. That's 1 can of milk. And now I'm going to cut on some strawberry right here. You're going to cut them fine as you can. So from there you're going to add the strawberry in. And you're just going to put a little of the color in, like 2 drops. 1, 2. Just to get it to the color that you want it, and you're going to mix. So guys, now our ice cream. You just want to, I'm going to place this in the refrigerator, in the freezer for like 6 hours or even overnight. And then we come back to do our next portion. So you're just going to put the cover on, the lid on, and you're going to put in the freezer. So now it's time to look how it is. Hey guys, look at this. Strawberry ice cream is ready. So with your scoop, you just want to ensure your scoop is in some water. And you're going to begin to scoop your ice cream. So the ice cream, we are scooping up our ice cream now, guys. And we're going to put it on our strawberry ice cream. Look how beautiful it looking. All those strawberries you're looking at. Wow. And you're going to put it on. Squeeze a scoop like that, and we see all those strawberry you're looking at. You just want to wet your scoop again, and here we go again. This scoop is not so wonderful. It don't have such wonderful grip in it. You're just gonna scoop your ice cream up again. Take up more in the scoop. Yeah. Wow. Guys, look at this. So, hey, my beautiful people, our ice cream is ready. Ain't it looking gorgeous, guys? I think you should give it a try. Strawberry ice cream. It's now ready. So, guys, you should try and make the strawberry ice cream. It's all melting. See, it's melting away, man. OMG. Guys, this ice cream is so yummy. Give it a try. You will be glad you did. Just melt in your mouth. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe to Dee Edan Kitchen. Love you. Peace.